What's up, everybody? It's your girl Miracole, and I just want to personally invite you to the annual Royal Teen Whiteout Boat Party on July 4th from 6 to 11. We are actually leaving at 6, so please be there because you love me and I love you. Turn up. Yes, yes, yes. The cost is only $25. Did you say $25, girl? Oh, yes, I did. Turn up. Yes, 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 yes. This is a benefit for Stop Bullying Now movement, because we don't like bullies, you don't like bullies, no bullies, because they're not okay at all. It is from ages 15 to 21. So, if you're 15 through 21, get crunk. Can't wait to see you there. Turn up.